In this video, I'll show you how to quickly repurpose long videos for social media. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, let's begin and we're going to use Descript. Let's open it up. And I do have a project here that I think is a little bit long. This particular project, I'll just open it up. And there we have it. It's just a podcast audio. Let's assume you wanted to convert it to a video. It's pretty simple in Descript. So what we're going to do, we're going to assume that this is where I say something very, very important and it's what I want to use on social media. Now, just select it, like click and hold your left click to select it up to the edge, right click on it, duplicate to new composition, and it's going to create a new composition. Click on open and we have that particular text right inside here. We can change the title to begin with, just remove clips from, and then you can call it whatever you want to call it. And then from here we can switch the view to video because it's in the audio kind of view. So we switch it to video and then we can adjust this slightly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the templates available for us. Now, Descript ships with awesome templates for you to quickly customize your content. So we can go to templates. And then for this one, I'll not use my templates. I'll just go to maybe like an audiogram. So these are very common on the internet. And let's assume that's the kind of look that you're going for. You can just scroll down and see what's available. And let's say probably we go with something like this. Let's go with this one. Just drag it onto that particular text. Let go of your left click and you're going to add this to the scene. It's applying the template. We can match the orientation so that it looks the way things look like on social media. And then if we actually play this, it's pretty simple to export your transcript. And all we need to do is go to the export tab right here. It's right there. You have quickly converted your content. Now, if you're on the paid plan, you can always change this particular logo and all that. You can change it to whatever you want it to be. You can delete it if you're on the paid plan, and so on and so forth. But you can make all the customizations that you want right inside here, including for maybe the color that you want for this. Let's say we go with a purple. That looks good. Maybe if you wanted a different style here, maybe a wave, or maybe you wanted rings, maybe a circle. But let's leave it at lines, and so on and so forth. And once you're satisfied, you can just go to publish, export the video, check the settings that you want to export this particular video in, and then export it for use on social media. I can just hit on export, let it save. It's downloading, skipping, and so on and so forth. So it's exporting the video, downloading original files because it has to do that. So you can just close this out and just wait it out to be done. That's how you can quickly repurpose your long form videos for social media in Descript Storyboard. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.